Matt here, Atlas Precision Consulting. In today's video, we're going to discuss the main menu, your favorites, different ways to access them, and then also a little bit about the inquiry windows. So you can see we're on our landing page here. This happens right after you log in. Your home portal may look different. It's probably got more stuff in it than this one, but they're all essentially the same kind of landing page. And over here to the left, we're going to have the 9 little boxes. If we click that, it's going to open up our menu. Now you notice you have menu and favorites. The menu system, think of it like digging into a folder in a Windows application. So as you click the arrows, you'll notice that it opens up more folders. And as you click those open up to more. Now, you'll notice that some of these do not have arrows next to them. If they don't have arrows next to them, when you click it, it's going to go out a little bit more and it's going to show you things that you can favorite. These are basically windows in P21 or reports. These are things that will open up. So you can notice here that the stars that are clear or blank, whatever you want to call them, those are not your favorites. If they're marked solid, then that's one of your favorites. So scan and pack. Say I want to add scan and pack. I check that. It's now a favorite. If I jump over to my favorites, you'll see everything I have favorited here. And on this window, they're alphabetical. And you can scroll down here and you can see where we added scan to pack. Now, if I wanted to remove something from my favorites, I could just check the box or the star and ask me if I want to remove it. I'm going to say no because I want to show you something in a second. And now we're going to go back to our main menu and we're just going to click on our orders folder just to kind of close that. Now, almost all of these have the same types of folders and transactions. They'll have an inquiry, maintenance report, system, and transaction. Now you may not see all of these and you may not see like accounting or CRM. Really just depends on how your role menu is set up. But if you don't know which folder something is in, but you're like, I know it's called scan and pack, I just don't remember where it is, and it's not favorited at this point, we can just type in scan. Now there's only one thing in the system that has the word scan in it, and so it narrowed it down. The nice part is not only can you search your main menu, you can search your favorites. Now some things will give you more results. So if I type in the word order, I still get a lot of results. It is narrowed down, but if I type in entry, it's going to narrow it down to these 4. Now the nice thing about searching in P21, and it's like this in a lot of places in P21, the order of words is not important. So I can type in entry and it's narrowing down, and I can type in order. So I flip the words, but I still get the same 4 results. So it doesn't care what order the words are in. As long as they are in or partially, you could actually just type in ORD. As long as those exist in those titles, it will find it for you. One of my favorite ones to use is PORG. Now, nobody's going to type in PO requirements generation, but if I type in PO space R space G, it is smart enough to go, oh, you're talking about PO requirements generation. Even though I didn't spell any words out, it still found it for me. So play with that. You'll learn to like that. Trust me. Now, the other thing I want to show you about favorites, I'm in an order entry window here, and you'll notice in the middle of this page, there's a My Menu. My Menu is your favorites. There is a difference though, whereas the favorites that we looked at are in alphabetical order, the My Menu is in the order that you've added them to your favorites. So you can see Scan and Pack is the last one. It's because I just added it. You also have a Add to My Menu button here. If I click that, it's going to tell me upper right that I've added this to my main menu, and it's also my favorites. So you can see orders is now the last. Also, you do not have to go back to the home portal to access the menu or your favorites or anything. These 9 boxes are still here. You click on it, you'll see the menu slide out to the right with menu and favorites, and it has the same search function. And you can scroll down here and see order entry is now added. So as of right now of this recording and later versions of this system, there's no way to group, sort, or anything like that with your favorites or your My Menu. Maybe that's something that will change in the future. I'm not sure. The last thing I want to cover is master inquiries. Now we have separate videos on those, but this is just a useful navigation here where if you're in another window, you don't have to go search it. You don't have to use a hotkey. You don't have to go to your favorites. The most important master inquiries are going to be here. So obviously this, screen allows you to jump to customer inquiry, item inquiry, and it's going to open into a different window. It's not going to replace this window. So that's just a little quick shortcut there for you. So if you have questions about what we went over in this video, or if there's a topic you want to see in another video, put a comment down below. As always, please like and subscribe. We're trying to put more of this content out there. And as always, have a great one.